Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana. In today's video, it's all about the kids. I wanted to show you something different. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful giant cupcake cake using a silicone mold. Very simple to use. And this particular cake is so cute and adorable, and it's perfect for a first birthday or a smash cake. So if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So basically for this cake, I used this mold. It's a silicone mold, and I love this mold. It's so easy to work with. Basically, I start with my cake, and then I make sure that everything is very well greased, and I just put my cake batter in here, put it in the oven. And I do admit that because it's so deep, it takes a long time to bake, but it's okay. So you just have to put it a little bit longer. And this is the top that goes on top of it. And for this, if you're curious, it will be in my Amazon storefront. So the link will be there. So you can go ahead and look at that if ever you're interested. And then using the same mold, the bottom part, what I do is I cover it with candy melts. You can also use chocolate. I love using candy melts because they're very easy to work with. To melt candy melts, I keep saying in all my videos, it's 30 seconds at a time in the micro. Don't do 1 minute, don't do a minute and a half, because you want to go faster. I'm telling you, you're going to melt, you're going to burn them. So make sure that you do 30 seconds at a time until it's completely melted. So once your candy melted chocolate is melted, you cover the entire bottom of it, and then you pop it in the freezer or the fridge to make sure that the chocolate or the candy melt hardens. And then you do a second coat. I would highly suggest doing a second coat because a lot of times it just it's too thin and it's going to break. So when you're going to unmold it, obviously. So when you do your second coat, again, fridge or freezer until it's completely hardened and the chocolate has set, and then you carefully unmold it. And then you can go and start stacking your cake on the inside. Now, for the top part, I used the 1M like this, but you can also use and do the rosettes with other piping tips. This is the 2D, or you can use also, which is a bigger one, the 1B, which is really nice also. And you just create your rosettes and that's it. You can put a topper at the top and you're good to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.